This is the product I'm going to use on paint stripping of this window. It's a sash window. As you can see, I started from the bottom, so anything I can do that I don't have to use the step ladder, I do that first, and then I use the step ladder if I must. But yeah, I start applying paint stripper, so I'm gonna quickly show you in a couple of steps how it's done on external sash window. That is it. As you can see, it's all covered to do the magic. The paper I'm using for this one is a masking plastic from 3M, so you can get it in Bunnings and any other good store. So instead of using the paper that they supplies, which is very expensive, I'm using this one. It's more affordable and do the same thing, same job. Here we are, day 2. I'm about to start removing the paint from this window. The paint stripper was sitting there for 48 hours. So we see now what's been done. Once we remove the plastic, we will see exactly what's happening. Beautiful. Paint strip have done a really good job. It's coming off so easy. As you can see, this side is finished. All the paint is stripped off. Now we're gonna leave it for a day to dry after we wiped it off with a wet rag. So once it's dry, we're gonna give it a quick sand, fast coat, and then top coats. All done, paint stripped, cleaned. Now I'm gonna fill up the holes. There's a few holes that I need to fill up. I'm gonna do putty on that window there. The putty is missing there on the top. Apart from that, it's gonna be ready for sanding. Once it's sanded, we're gonna put the clear on it. That's how it looks now.